can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. And naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compare.
Some barrel bottoms. Ow. Y'all ain't seen Gaucho since circa 2014.
Okay. I did good. I give this outfit a
I give it a 3 out of 10. I feel like somebody's mom. Like,
yeah, you are.
I'm young and turned.
You look exactly what you are.
Let me tell you, mother. Like, I feel like I'm on my way to a parent-teacher conference right now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Put your jacket on. Big mama. Big mama. Yeah, y'all see the fit. Y'all see the fit. Yeah, fuck y'all talk about. The black Cora Jean Simmons. Y'all see this church ass outfit? Like, I hate it. I feel like the first lady daughter, bro. Cash for me, get a big mama. A big mama.
I actually like it, and I'm about to buy this for you.
For who?
You.
Buy for your mama.
She was supposed to wear this with the Cobra outfit, y'all.
I forgot about it. Just imagine it.
Oh, yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Bitch,
What?
didn't I have keys? Did I even lock my door? Anyway, y'all,
That's crazy because I was right with you, letting you leave the door unlocked.
I forgot what the fuck I was about to say.
It was fun. I got to pee.
That was fun. I gotta pee like shit, but comment down below who outfits was the best, y'all. Oh, I really left my door wide the fuck open. Sickening. So where are the keys?